So I have this windshield. I'm not sure what it's from. Just a pile of windshields I had bought, and this was one of them. It's very close to the car, but not exact. It was from a two-part window, this being the lower half. This car had a two-part window originally also. You'd be able to flip out the bottom half to let air flow in. So I really like the height and the shape, so I want to make this work. But it's about 1 inch too wide, and it doesn't fit between the stanchion posts. And it's a different shape. It's got a little bit more of a tighter curve in the corners. So I'm gonna heat and reshape the windshield posts to fit the contour of this window. So, but I really like, it looks like it's chopped without having to have a window sent out to get chopped and special cut. So we're gonna go with this, hopefully. So let's get started. So I located center, cowl in between the existing pillar posts. Got my magnet with a piece of pipe there to pinpoint our center point. This way I can keep measuring off of that to get a true read of where we're at. So the total right now between the pillars is 40 inches and the window is 41 3/4. So we don't have a lot to spread it, but we have some. So we'll get the torch fired up and start bending. Okay, we got our measurements, 20.5 we got, so that'll give us 41 once we do the other side. However, I'm gonna have to straighten heat here so I can straighten that back out. So right now it's on an angle and it won't sit tight against the window. So we'll let that cool, we'll move to the other side, do the same thing, and then we'll come back here, heat this, and straighten that back out. I got it in. So it still will flip. Not that you really need it to, but it's got that option. So next I'll cut these down so we get rid of all that. And that should take care of the windshield. So after thoroughly washing it and lightly sanding it, I then polished it, and it's amazing how it's the original black lacquer paint. I'm assuming it was lacquer back then. That's 100-year-old paint right there. And I was able to polish it enough to still have some gloss to it. Pretty incredible. So I'm gonna leave it like that and work around that. I was gonna paint the firewall white, but after seeing the original paint polish up like that, and to say that there's still part of the car that has the original paint, I'm gonna go with that and honor that and work around that with my color scheme.